phone's ringing, brother.
Hi, this is Mack at Plumbing Deals. How can I help you?
Yeah, hey, I was on your website looking at like a Hans Grohe mattress faucet, something. I need to replace my faucet. I was just curious. I mean, is it that much better than what I've got?
Yeah, absolutely. What do you have?
It's silver and kind of swoopy.
Sounds like a Kohler. Yeah, absolutely. The Hans Grohe mattress is definitely a solid faucet. Really cool.
Okay. So how do I buy it?
Yeah, add the item to your cart with the add to cart button and then just follow the prompts to check out.
Okay. Well, that doesn't sound too bad.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, hey, anything else I can give you a hand with?
I mean, not unless you want to come install it for me.
Yeah, that'd be something, huh?
That would be something.
That'd be something.
Yeah, that would be something else.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, alright, well, bye.
Bye. Really would be something.
Hello?
Oh, didn't see you there. Hey, it's Mack from Plumbing Deals. Let's get this thing installed for ya. Woo! Let's see what we got under here. For me, the action is the juice.
What?
Hey man, would you hand me a basin wrench?
This it?
Ooh, sorry man, that's a pipe wrench.
Oh.
Nope.
Okay, here. Oh, here we go.
Huh. No.
Here.
Oh. There's a plumber's wand. Technically it's a rigid, easy change faucet changer. It's a beautiful tool, but not a basin wrench though.
Okay, well, why do you have all this stuff?
It's plumbing, you just never know what's gonna happen. You gotta be prepared for anything.
Okay, but like, seriously?
TOTO Washlet. Yeah, I travel with that thing everywhere. We actually have a ton of washlets available at plumbingdeals.com.
You seriously install and uninstall this at every home?
Yeah, what am I, some kind of animal? I'm gonna just waddle around with muddy cheeks all day?
Okay, well, come on. I mean, is this it?
You nailed it. It's a basin wrench. We're actually all done now. Finished.
Man, this is nice. Did a good job. You didn't have to come all the way here to install it, though.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, like what are best friends for?
What are you doing?
Pickle pay. Hey, what are we doing after this?
Well, I got a funeral I need to get ready for.
Yeah? Can I go?
Yeah? Sure.
Sweet.